This is an old, this list is last year.
I think this is very, people don't appreciate this symbol.
So yeah, these are Sigma's new classic lenses. They're the same as the Cine series of lenses, but they've changed the coatings. So these give more interesting flares, lower contrast, and just, yeah, really, really nice.
And to move the dolly, you've got 4 pedals underneath. They've also got the Adito tower on there, which gives you elevation control. So you can go up.
We've got physics involved where we're changing the depth of feet.
And then if I unlock it, it will fall off.
So when you're tracking somebody, you need to adjust your headroom. That's exactly how you got it. Very simple. Yeah. That's interesting. You use your frame and you basically pan left.
With checksum, recursive, and verbose. Swap and change compression, that's where you can start to see the image starting to break down.
Also features and
Four Thunderbolt 3 connections, 4 40 gig connections.
50 meter Thunderbolt 3 cable.
I get up at 7:30. And the first thing I do is put the pads on.
They're all exactly the last. Oh, yeah. That's good.
My rig is there.
We must do things
That's something that you guys have to check because I'm not convinced.
Hi, so this is the new C500 Mark II from Canon. Their new entry into their cinema camera range. It's got a few cool features. So they've stripped down the body, made it a lot smaller, so it's more compact and modular. So you can, when you buy it out of the box, it's as it is there, and you get a few expansions to the back. So you can get a viewfinder. They do a V-lock mount that will give you extra ports in the back, and they also do the EVF, large EVF that goes in the front. It's got an interchangeable mount system. So at the minute we've got the standard EF on here. You can swap that out for the locking EF, and you can also swap it out for the PL. No shimming or anything needed. It just unscrews, put the new mount on, and you're good to go. One of the good things to mention is it runs on a new type of media. So this is CF Express, same form factor as an XQD card that Sony users would be used to. About the same price as a CFast 2. and they're 3 times faster. So they're coming out about 1600 megabytes a second, which means when you're doing internal RAW and all that kind of stuff, the cards can handle it with no issues. So yeah, nice new camera.
Well, that's going to be my next question, because all this stuff is getting more and more.
What is an antenna?
Or roll jack?
Because I'm looking for essentially just a wireless audio solution. I've got a C200 with XLR.
Yeah.
And
I mean, that's one of the good things.
What was I going to ask you?
Carol, and I'm from Panasonic. We're here showing off our new range of news gathering and documentary film camcorders. Brilliant new cameras, very, very small and light. The smallest cameras of in their market segment. 4K recording, 10-bit, and in 2 models in the consumer range and 1 in the broadcast range. Movable, detachable top and viewfinder, new battery system, dual cards, so dual SD cards as well. So fantastic new documentary film cameras from Panasonic UK.
A way of renting first, charge production figure higher. Do you know how much it is? How much is something? So usually it goes for around £1,000 a day. But that depends on what you have with it. A lot. You're going to have demo stuff, bring it into the
so the new ones crazy new. So we can finally get like a true crash
for different sizes of the boom. So that's accessories. Everything is accessories. We just do the system. We need external partners. This is then some.
We'll find we'll get a cleaner image.
Around it as well, so it gives it that really nice sort of dynamic move as he's banking the motorbike. We did a similar thing, but they're showing a horse, a mechanical horse. You know, it's a lot easier.
We come from 30 years of experience and heritage in the underwater lighting industry, so we know how to make a light incredibly robust and incredibly weather resistant. We have 10,000 lumens of power here. Like I said, if you need to be able to remotely control the light, we can certainly do that. We can directly modify the lights with our direct mount modifiers. That right there is our 50-degree Fresnel. We can put the light down in a tighter beam with really soft edges. If you're looking for something with a little bit harder edges, we can put it into our 25-degree Fresnel and really focus that light down into a smaller beam. We can also soften the light with one of our direct mount modifiers by putting one of our dome diffusers on. If we want to stack the light, we can then take one of our Elechrome Porta lights and put it on the front mount of the light, and then we can get a very, very soft light source for anyone who needs to be able to do portraiture work like that. Our most popular kit that we make is this, our CLX 10, along with our 2000. We call it our portrait kit. This is a great hair light, and this is your key light, about 1,500 pounds plus VAT. For that package altogether, it comes in a very small little package. This, with all the modifiers, fits in a kit about this size. You're ready to hop on a plane, go anywhere in the world, and the moment you step off the plane, you're ready to do an interview.
Yes, yeah, I went to the gym. Yeah, right. Alright, no, you went. See them and they can't really tell me. Good to know. Oh, that's yeah.
Yeah, this is all the stuff to do. It's like there's just so much. Yeah.
And we have them from...
Yeah, they're made by...
Do you have a jacket with you? Then maybe put that on.
You guys would be the most the action production world. It seems to be sort of like the industry.
Production, everything else. Or no, forever with updates. I can use all.
That's one more thing.
Yeah, about 26 later. I've been quite a bit of it. Yeah. To remember using the Steadicam, you need to find the right position and everything.
It filters the small frequencies here. And you have no problems because your variety is not flowing you always have to analyze and does it work. There's a, you know Curtis Judd on YouTube? Yeah.
Like 2 magnets here, so if you want to stick it on like a metal surface, you can just...
These are incredible. I've never seen these before. Yeah, I'm going to take pictures.
Well, better late than never.
Yeah.
So, the Cynex 7, 6 to 25 kilos, Arri dovetail, adjustable bases from 100, 150 on Mitchell base. Cynex 7.
How have you been? Good. Animals that used to come in and go out. Good place. They've got so much cable.
Whereas some of the other single coated, like the Canon Sumi rays,
It's about 85 pounds. Honestly, we've always got things there. I don't know.
Start the conversation on that. The science is very
so I know it's good. We've got that for all the stuff. So if you want to take a deep dive, that's your best way.
We want to change the colour of the background. Because the whole idea, if you are potentially looking at a new system, you can get 10% discount if you use the code BlackMagic10. Wow, we covered a lot in an hour and 20 minutes. I'm slightly over. I would say do it. You will be, I think, very pleasantly surprised that when you get your head around, like we've done today, building a timeline, you will notice how stable it is, how fluid it is. So yeah, if you've got a project, give it a go. And I promise you, you'll like it. Cool. But anyway, thank you very much. Thanks for coming out.